Hello everyone, welcome to the installation guide of HashStudioz IoT Gateway. In this video, we are going to walk through the installation and configuration of this gateway step by step. Before we go to the installation part, first of all, let's know about where it can be used and what are advantages. So, this is our product which can be used in both legacy and new industries, from solar plants, wind turbines, like manufacturing units, like systems which are used for remote monitoring, etc. Now we can jump to know about the features of this gateway. Here we get a port through which we connect the power. Here we can connect from 6 to 24 volt DC. Next we have a SIM slot through which we can connect 4G SIM for LTE connectivity. Here is a port for 485 connection through which we can connect our devices. Next we give you such LEDs from power LED to LTE status. Next is for server connectivity. This is for the polling part, and this is for the Modbus connectivity. Here we also get one reset button through which we can reset our devices. Here is the antenna slot from which we can connect these antennas, eigen antennas. This is one of our example of energy meters which we can connect to this gateway. Other than this, we can also connect flow meters, HMIs, SCADAs, and other PLCs also. Here are two other variants here. This is the LAN-based connectivity gateway, and this is additional high variant in which we can also connect 5 channels sensors. And so now we are going to jump to the next step in which we are going to know detail about the desktop-based configuration of this gateway. Thank you.
So I am going to tell you how to configure the IoT devices through the desktop application. So open the desktop application, and on the home screen you will see these two options: configure new devices and update existing configuration. So you have to click on configure new devices, click on continue button, enter the 4 digit of IMEI number, click next. These details are pre-filled. If you require to upload the SSL certificate, you can just click tick, otherwise you can leave it. Click on connect button. Now you will get the successfully connection message. So click on configure Modbus. So now you will get these 4 or 5 options. So I'm going to tell you how to add slave configuration first. So these details are provided on your smart meter. I'm going to show you for the Schneider smart energy meter. Slave enter the slave ID 1, baud rate 9600, parity 8 and 1. Pop topic is the topic where you want to publish your data. Slave number is the number you can add one or more than one. If you want to show these information in your JSON, just click tick it, and these data will be visible when you show it. Add register. If you want to show these information in your JSON, just click tick it, and these data will be visible when you show it. Add register. These data are provided from the data sheet of your smart meter. So in this data sheet, all the required fields like function, start addressing, number of registers are already given on that. So click on function, holding register, start from 1, number of register 1. You can maximum add the 10 of registers in a single time. Data size 16-bit, data none, shift byte. You can leave it. Key value is the value, like I want to add a voltage. MF value is the multiplication factor value, so 1. DP is the decimal point value. So after completing all the fields, you can click on save button. Do you want to save the configuration? Yes. So it will successfully configure the slave. If you want to view the slave, you can directly click on it. If you want to configure the digital input, click on configure digital input, enter the pop topic and click on submit button. So the digital input configuration will be saved. Otherwise, if you want to save the configuration for the analog input, you can directly click on it, enter the pub topic, enter the keys and minimum calibration value or maximum calibration value, set the range according to your meter and click on submit button, and then analog configuration will be saved. Save config is the setting, like first given the config name, hash save, submit. So in the save config feature, you can save your configuration and reuse it later by importing. However, you can importing it back into the same device. It cannot import it back into your same device. If you want the same configuration on a different or a new device, you can directly import from here. So I don't want to import it, so click on cancel button and finally choose a data interval from the drop down. So the data interval is the time period or gap at which want you to polling occur. So I choose the 4-minute frequency, click on set interval. So the data interval set successfully message. Confirmation message has been set successfully. So if you want to configure and updating the existing device, click to disconnect the device and go to the home screen and click on update existing configuration. Click on continue, enter the IMEI number and see the current configuration. What is the URL, port, password, username, client ID, and click on test. So now if you want to update the MQTT connection, you can select it. Otherwise, if you want to update the multi-slave configuration, you can select that. If you want to view the slave Modbus configuration, then you have to select that and click on continue button. So the according to the choose option, the data will be visible, as you can see that. So that's the complete setup of the LTE gateway configuration on the desktop app.
Thank you.